You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing Japanese pronunciations, including from manga series or animes, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos. It means recovery in Japanese, and it's from Bleach. Bankai. Japanese pronunciation, bankai. Therefore, in English, you can simply say it as bankai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.